Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best seals is probably one of the most fascinating marine mammals inhabiting diverse environments, from frigid polar regions to temperate coastal areas. This comprehensive guide will explore their unique biology, captivating behaviors, intriguing reproduction strategies, crucial conservation efforts, and complex interactions within their ecosystems, unraveling the mysteries of these magnificent creatures and showcasing their importance in the delicate balance of our oceans. Number 5. Suptikes Door Draft Stopper. It prevents heat and cold from escaping, making your home more energy efficient and saving you money on your energy bills. This is especially helpful during winter and summer months. With its double-layered design, it effectively blocks outside noise, creating a peaceful and quiet atmosphere in your home. Enjoy the cozy comfort it provides. It easily fits gaps up to 1 inch wide. Its self-adhesive design makes it simple to install on various doors and surfaces, sealing those unwanted gaps. It's perfect for all types of doors and windows, including sliding doors, glass doors, wood doors, and even cupboards. It's a versatile solution for many areas of your home. Simply measure, cut, peel, and stick. It's that easy to install. For best results in cold weather, use a hairdryer to warm the adhesive before applying it. What we like. This product helps you save on your energy bills by preventing heat loss. It also significantly reduces noise pollution, creating a peaceful atmosphere in your home. If you're looking for an easy-to-install solution to improve your home's energy efficiency and soundproofing, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The door draft stopper was very easy to install and prevents the airflow from outdoor from coming inside the home. These were great. Don't let much air in and close th gap, they cancel noise, very durable. The size thickness is perfect in my opinion for a standard food and functions as expected. The adhesive holds surprisingly well. But the most impressive thing is that these things completely eliminated the draft that was coming up under my basement door. Number 4. Flex Seal 14 ounces 2-pack clear. It's the simple solution for instant leak protection. This powerful sealant creates a waterproof barrier, protecting your valuable items from damage. Watch as it effortlessly penetrates cracks and holes. It dries to a clear, flexible, rubberized coating that's incredibly durable. It's perfect for a wide range of surfaces, from gutters and roofs to RVs and windows. Use it on virtually anything that needs sealing and protection. This sealant remains flexible and pliable, resisting cracking and peeling, even in extreme temperatures. It provides years of reliable protection. It's incredibly easy to apply and can be used on wet or dry surfaces. Once dry, it can even be painted to match your existing colors. Its versatility extends beyond repairs. Unleash your creativity and use it for various arts and crafts projects. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This sealant is incredibly versatile and can be used on a wide variety of surfaces to quickly and effectively seal leaks. It also dries clear and can be painted, making it ideal for both functional and aesthetic repairs. If you need a reliable solution to stop leaks and protect your surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. I have used this for several things, but the most recent out-of-the-box idea was to use it to reduce rot from water pooling on top of old deck support legs. Works great. I'd used the white Flex Seal on a wood bulkhead cellar door. It has worked incredibly well. The wood underneath is still in pristine condition 10 years later. While not perfect for every application, Flex Seal actually does what it advertises. Number 3. MerryXD Chubby Seal Pillow. Get ready for ultimate comfort and cuteness. This plush seal pillow is perfect for snuggling on the couch or in bed. Made with high-quality PP cotton filling and skin-friendly fabrics, it feels incredibly soft and huggable, like a cloud. Take it with you everywhere. It's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, offices, cars, any place you want a touch of comfort and fun. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This adorable seal pillow is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Use it as a hug pillow, nap pillow, or even an office buddy for those midday breaks. It's versatile and always comforting. It arrives vacuum-packed and may be flat. Simply fluff it up, and it will fully recover its shape within 2 days. A dryer or sunlight helps speed up the process. What we like. This adorable plush seal is incredibly soft and cuddly, perfect for snuggling up with on the couch or in bed. It's made with high-quality materials and makes a wonderful gift for children or anyone who loves cute plushies. If you are looking for a comforting and charming gift, this plush is perfect for you. What people say. It is bigger than I thought. Very comfy as well as cute. The fabric is soft and is printed quite nicely. Very cute. The fabric is very smooth and the stuffing is very soft. The tail and flipper details are adorable, and the colors and patterns are of good quality. Makes a wonderful pillow. Number 2. CloudBuyer Seal Strip. This innovative weather stripping provides a quick and easy solution to seal gaps and reduce noise. It's perfect for doors, windows, and more. Unlike other strips, this one features unique soundproof holes. These holes reduce sound propagation and the force needed to close doors, minimizing noise. With its strong self-adhesive backing, installation is a breeze. Just peel and stick. No tools or experience are required. At 19.7 feet long, it's easily cut to fit any door or window. You can customize it to your exact needs. It effectively seals large gaps, keeping out unwanted wind, water, light, and sound, creating a more comfortable and energy-efficient home. For optimal adhesion, apply it when temperatures are between 55 degrees and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. A hairdryer can assist in colder temperatures. Use it on doors, windows, car trunks, wherever you need a reliable seal. It's durable and won't crack in extreme temperatures. What we like. This weather stripping is incredibly easy to install and effectively seals large gaps, keeping out drafts and noise. It's also designed with soundproof holes for superior noise reduction. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to improve your home's insulation and soundproofing, this is a great option. What people say. It fit the frame of my hybrid trailer bed very well. The next day I checked and with the pressure of the closed bed frame it held and seemed secure. No leaks. I am happy. Here is what I've used this for so far. Seal up attic opening to built-in stairs hatch, close gap between headlights and car hood, quiet cabinet door when closing, keeps from slamming shut. Pro, works for the above, has good adhesive, can be painted. Seals up great. It does not stick if the surface you are trying to stick it to is cold. You need to wait till it's warm or warm it up with a hair dryer then apply it. It seals up great though I have tried many products to seal the door gap and this works by far the best. Super easy to cut, and applies nicely to wood in my experience. I've used this for an exterior door and window, and it's still holding up well after 4 to 5 months. Number 1. Wax Seal Stamp Kit. It has everything you need to create stunning wax seals. Let your imagination run wild and personalize your projects with ease. With 24 colors and 720 wax beads, you'll have a wide array of options to match any occasion or style. Express yourself with a rainbow of possibilities. It's made with high-quality, odorless, non-toxic materials. Enjoy crafting without any unpleasant fumes or messy cleanup. This kit isn't just about sealing, it's about adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. It includes metallic pens and golden decorations to elevate your creations. Use it for invitations, letters, gifts, or any project that needs a touch of personalized flair. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this comprehensive kit provides everything you need to create beautiful wax seals. It's the perfect gift for yourself or someone special. What we like. This wax seal kit comes with everything you need to create beautiful and personalized seals. It includes a wide variety of colors and is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to invitations, letters, or crafts. If you enjoy arts and crafts or want to add a unique touch to your correspondence, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. For wax pieces, give a good spread. It also came with a few envelopes, 2 metallic markers and some fine gold glitter. This wax seal stamp kit is one of my favorite purchases, and it definitely goes a long way. It comes with almost everything you need to use wax seals with the exception of matches and proper cards. Adding a wax seal to a gift or to an envelope adds a special, unique touch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.